Embedded Smart Forms is a new enhancement aimed at improving user productivity through the Automation Copilot. Automation Copilot is a lightweight, embeddable app that can be easily integrated into any enterprise application, whether it's Salesforce, Workday, SAP, or even your own custom solutions. Automation Copilot delivers automation to every employee directly in the applications in which they work and from where they initiate business processes. Let's take a look at a recent user productivity-related update to the Automation Copilot, which is aimed at saving your users valuable time when initiating automations out of the Copilot interface by automatically passing and populating data elements, giving your automations the contextual data they need to be immediately started. The new data mapping capability is aimed at eliminating manual data rekeying and its associated issues, such as incorrect values being entered, data entered in incorrect formats, and of course the biggest one, the amount of time taken to rekey data that's already available to the user. Let's take a look at an example through a demo. We'll start with Bria, a customer service representative who loves providing exceptional service to her customers, but is often inundated with all of the internal applications and processes she has to navigate to complete daily tasks. Today, she's received a request from a customer to update their corporate address as they recently moved headquarters to Portland, Oregon. Bria performs this task multiple times a week to assist both her corporate and retail customers. She immediately starts the task by updating her customer's address in all of the back-end systems in which the address information is stored, from the company CRM and ERP to the finance, order management, and logistics systems. This not only takes Bria valuable time to perform this work, it introduces a lot of risk into the process when data is entered incorrectly or incompletely. Bria is making repetitive updates to these front and back office systems responsible for payments, contracts, and shipping orders. A mistake in data entry can easily result in service disruptions for the customer. However, we can use the power of the Automation Success Platform to turn this painful, repetitive, unnecessarily long task into something that Bria can complete much more quickly. All RE processes require some sort of app interface for humans to interact with automations. Our revamped Form Composer provides a quick and easy way to build intelligent apps for even a novice user. It has a simple drag-and-drop interface with a rich set of form elements that can be used to create simple to complex forms with the same ease. We have simple data elements such as text boxes, drop-downs, etc., to more complex data and visual elements such as tables, images, and document viewers. It is built using UX paradigms that take into account accessibility needs that are a key requirement for many organizations, and responsiveness so they can support various display formats. Business logic can be incorporated with the forms to guide the users through the flows and enforce data validations, format data, and catch any errors before data gets submitted to back-end systems. This logic can be enabled in the form of simple, pre-established properties on the elements, or by using Rules Builder for more complex logic. An example shown here is password restrictions, such as length and supported characters, which are easily configured through properties. However, for more comprehensive logic, such as passwords cannot contain first or last name, it's just as easy to build this intelligence into forms using our Rules Builder that caters to business users. Users can create rules that are context-sensitive using if-then-else logic. An inbuilt app composer can inherently integrate with automations within the platform, giving the ability to build comprehensive applications that accelerate human processes while also mitigating human errors. It saves companies dollars that they would have to invest in app building specialists and operational costs for change management of those apps. Once the forms are created, they can be seamlessly incorporated into processes and bots to build complex and conditional flows that can be event-driven or data-driven. These flows are then embedded into third-party applications that end users are already familiar with. This helps minimize disruptions to end users while adding the benefits of automations with the least amount of training. Now let's see how Marcus adds Copilot to Salesforce and maps record data to the new automation. Marcus has been tasked with making Copilot available within Salesforce. He's received the requirements document from Paul, displayed on the left, and has already begun the work of creating a new Lightning component, what you see on the right, to be displayed on the account record page. As Marcus was able to copy and paste the sample code from the Automation Anywhere documentation portal, he's been able to create this in minutes. Marcus ensures that the control room URL is added, which checks the validity of any requests for data, providing added security to the integration. And then he takes a copy of the template code and begins updating it, starting with the process ID, representing the recently deployed RE change of address process. Lastly, Marcus updates the code with the element IDs, as well as the Salesforce data fields that will be mapped to each of those elements. Thank you to our automation developer Paul for the well-outlined requirements document. It's as simple as that. In just a few minutes, Marcus was able to add, customize, and deploy the code into a custom Lightning component. Marcus completes his task by navigating to the page editor, which allows for creating page layouts for users. Here he's able to drag and drop his new custom component onto the page layout. And there you have it, Automation Copilot bringing automation directly to business users in their enterprise applications, whether it's Salesforce, in this example, or Oracle, ServiceNow, Microsoft Dynamics, or any other web application in which business users perform their work. Let's wrap up by taking a look at how Bria is now able to help customers with their change of address process using her new helpful digital copilot in Salesforce. She receives the same change of address request we saw previously, and opens Salesforce, as that's her primary application in which she manages customer information and interactions. She updates the customer address on the account record for both shipping and billing as requested. Once complete, she navigates to her Automation Copilot, where she locates the change of address automation to help her update the remaining back-office systems. Notice how the address fields have been pre-filled thanks to the integration Marcus helped complete. What used to take Bria nearly 5 minutes per request, she's now able to complete in just over a minute, thanks to her new Automation Copilot. That's an over 400% productivity increase for Bria, among numerous other benefits, including increased employee as well as customer satisfaction, reduced errors, and in turn, reduced costs to the business.